What's going on, fellas? This is a 2010 Mercedes GLK350. We're going to be changing the purge valve today, so I'm going to show you how to do that, where it's at. So the purge valve is actually right here. On one end, there's a line that goes back to the evaporative system in the back of the vehicle. Goes through this weird thing right here and goes down. The other end, right here, that actually goes up into the intake manifold. So when this purge valve opens, it gets the fuel vapor in there to burn it. So to disconnect it, you just push on this wire clip right there. You can kind of pull this up. And the orientation is important, as one of these nipples is bigger than the other. So it's gonna go like that. Now to disconnect it, you just pull it out. One side. You may wish to put a zip tie on this. If you feel as though the fitting is a little loose, put a zip tie around it to prevent it from leaking. Go. Looks like there used to be a clamp on this. Let me pause this. I'm gonna get zip ties to put around here to keep it from leaking. All right, got my zip ties on here. Gotta walk it down, push that back over, and last step is to reconnect. You wanna hear that click. So yeah, that's it. That's how you change the purge valve. Let me know if you guys have any questions.